Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a problem was detected with the TrueDepth camera Face ID has been disabled. So guys, if you're also facing this problem and you are unable to fix this issue on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you easily fix it. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply remove the glass protector of your iPhone screen. So guys, if you are using any glass protector on your iPhone, then you have to simply remove it. So guys, remove it and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to force restart your device for one time as well. So guys, for that, press and release the volume up button and then down button, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this and check if the problem is still there. Then you have to simply go back to your home screen and now open settings in your device and scroll it below and tap on general and tap on software update and update your software to the latest version. And from here scroll it below and you have to go to transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset and reset all settings of your device for one time from here. So guys, do this and check if the problem is still there. Then you have to go to your Face ID. Here it is. Enter the passcode. And from here you have to scroll it below and reset your Face ID for one time as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply make it sure that the front cam of your iPhone is not damaged. So guys, if it is damaged, then you will not be able to fix this issue on your device. So guys, for that you have to simply go to any Apple service shop and hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you after fixing the front cam of your iPhone. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.